Innoson is one of the fastest growing vehicle manufacturing companies in Nigeria today. This indigenous auto company has been appreciated for their top-notch vehicles and their outstanding efficiency. At Innoson Motors, they manufacture various types of vehicles ranging from saloon cars to SUVs to vans and so on. Very recently, the owner of Innoson Motors, Chief Innoson Chukwuma, announced the manufacture of their IVM buses, and this has made lots of Nigerians very excited. And just as we're about to get over that excitement, few hours ago they announced the manufacture of their locally manufactured IVM Keke Napep. Like, this is the answer to the prayers of so many. Shortly we're going to be showing you the full video of what this Keke Napep looks like. So please, if it's your first time on our channel, please do well to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that when we upload videos like this, you'll be notified. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being part of this family. Keke is one of the most used mode of transportation in Nigeria, and the manufacture of this locally made keke hopes to reduce the price of acquiring a Keke Napep in Nigeria. This would also help provide lots of job opportunities for people who are finding it difficult to afford the imported ones. Guys, we really like to know your comments on this. What do you think about this new manufacture? For now, more technical updates and the prices of this Keke Napep has not yet been made available, but of course, we're going to put it out there as soon as we get the information. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. We'll catch you in our next video. Bye.